Here's one thing a lot of content creators don't seem to still understand, and that is them having a low follower or subscriber count can actually be a blessing in disguise for them. Yes, I said that. And this video will explain in details why I said so. So you could see this video as an encouragement if you're feeling sad or frustrated by your small subscriber count. Now, before we get into these reasons why I'm saying this, of course, I would love to firstly point out the fact that this thing I'm saying is actually related, or I'm actually talking to people that has already been monetized on YouTube. And the reason why I said this is because we all know that in order for you to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch time. So because you need to get up to 1,000 subscribers, obviously subscriber count becomes important for you. But in the stage where you have already been monetized on YouTube, please, I beg you, do not be chasing after subscriber counts. Or let's say, do not make your overall existence be based on I want to have more subscriber. Now, here are 5 reasons why I said that and strongly believe that having low subscriber counts can actually be a blessing in disguise for you and even me. The first reason is that with lower subscriber count, you filter out the people that are not interested in you or what you post. Now, I have learned to understand that a lot of people loves following an influencer or a content creator because of they watched a viral video. Probably they saw one of your viral YouTube shorts or maybe your viral long form video, and then instantly they follow, instantly they subscribe, They do not even want to calm down to understand, okay, what is this person channel all about? Is this person posting the type of content that I want? They are just following you. They are just subscribing to your page. I don't know if you've experienced that, because me personally, I have actually noticed this, that sometimes whenever a content of mine goes viral, it just attracts in a lot of followers, a lot of subscribers, and then I'll be like, with more subscriber count, more views. But no, my darling. It does not happen. Most especially on YouTube, it does not happen over here. More subscriber count is definitely not equal to more views for a lot of reasons. Now, the reason why the reason why I prefer to have low subscriber counts. I mean, I'm not trying to say that I am not grateful or I do not want to have higher subscriber. I do. My hands are up. My hands are up. I do. I 100% want to get to the stage of 100,000 subscriber, 200,000, 1 million, more than that. But here's the catch. I don't just want to be growing or to be getting subscribers, but I want to be getting people that when they subscribe, when they see my videos, they are going to be interested. They will choose to watch, even if it's not all my videos that they will choose to watch because of algorithm and several other issues. But at least let it be a wonderful and a nice or high percentage. Okay, I don't want a scenario where, I'm having 100,000 subscriber and my views are getting 100 views in the last 24 hours with 100,000 subscriber. Come on now. So the next point is having lower subscriber or follower count actually helps you build a better community than having high subscriber counts. Now, when you're just packing people, or probably your goal, is to just be getting more subscribers, get to this amount, you're just literally having more subscribers, but those more subscribers are not connecting with you. And that way, you find it difficult, having a community, growing a community. So what I'm trying to say here is that it's better you have lower subscribers. It's better you have fewer subscribers, but they actually engage on your posts. They like your content. They share your content. They support you. Than for you to have more millions of subscribers, but they do not care about what you post. They do not actually support you. If you ask me, I would choose to have 10,000 subscriber that almost all of them, or a very high percentage of them, shows up for me and what I post, than have 1 million subscriber that few of them don't, like almost all of them don't even show up for me. It's only few, just a little percentage that shows up for me. Let me know which one you would choose to have in the comment section below. Okay. Now, the third reason why I said having low subscriber is a blessing in disguise. It is going to help you boost your worth in the eyes of brands. So when a brand comes to your page and then they see that this YouTuber actually has only 10,000 subscribers, but her videos are really doing well, those brands will even be happy. They will even want to, actually pay for you to promote them, because they know that with your small follower count, with your small subscriber count, you'll be able to meet their target audience. And they know that because your content does well, you're actually building a community on your YouTube channel, you'll be able to meet their target audience. Now, on the flip side, when a brand comes to a YouTuber page or a creator's page and then they see that, okay, this person has like 1 million followers or 1 million subscriber, but their view barely even gets to 5,000 views, like a video that probably they've posted like 1 week ago, and it is even struggling to get to 5,000 views, and they have 1 million plus subscriber. I'm not saying that the brand will not pay that YouTuber. Of course, they will still pay that YouTuber, but in the eyes of the brand might probably, if the brand has a budget of, okay, I want to pay this person $2,000, for example, okay. If the brand is like, I want to pay this person $2,000 because of what the brand saw, like no engagement, no performance, no like community building, no growth, you're just packing followers, they can actually reduce that 2k that they even have, that 2k that they have in mind. They might end up coming to that YouTuber or to that influencer or that content creator and pricing that person $500, for example. Okay. I'm pricing that person $500 for a YouTube video, because in the eyes of the brand is like, let's just see, okay, let's just see how this is going to perform. Because of that, your value actually drops in the eyes of the brand, and that's just the bitter truth. Now, note, I would love to actually point out this again before we move on to the next reason, and that is, I am not saying that having the goal to build your followers or your subscriber is a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. As a matter of fact, that's what we call, the growth goal, growth strategy. To, like, for example, it could be to have more views, or it could be to bring in more eyes into your channel or into your social media platform. Like I said, it is a good thing. But where the issue now comes into play is when you start obsessing over it. Okay, it's good to actually have the goal of, okay, I want to increase my subscriber count, but when you start obsessing over it, you can end up doing anything to actually get to that point. You can end up creating any content, even if it's something that deeply does not resonate with you, even if it's something that you know that you shouldn't be uploading this kind of thing on your platform, or you shouldn't be following this kind of way on your social media platform, like it does not align, but because you know and you feel like, oh, this will actually bring in more subscriber, you will end up doing that thing. You will end up repeating that thing. Anytime this one, bring in more subscriber, you keep doing more of that thing. And with this kind of mindset, or because you are obsessed with having more or only chasing subscriber counts, you get carried away. You end up not even nurturing, trying to calm down, like take a step back and create content that will nurture your already existing subscriber. Okay, so I am saying this to say and repeat it again, that it is a good thing to have a growth strategy, to bring in more eyes or new eyes into your social media platform, but do not obsess over it. And number two, have a content strategy, a social media strategy to help you grow better instead of just attracting or bringing in new subscribers that today they are here to watch, the next day they are nowhere to be found. Now, the next reason why I said having low subscriber is a blessing in disguise is that this will actually give your videos a better judgment of being recommended. And I am going to use YouTube to explain this, in the best way that I can. Okay. Now I know that presently the YouTube algorithm has changed, but this can still affect the overall performance of your videos. Okay. And what I'm trying to say here is that with YouTube, whenever you upload a video and then let's say the algorithm is pushing that video to your subscribers, okay, now if those subscribers are not choosing to watch, it can signal to the YouTube algorithm that maybe this girl's video is not worth it. Maybe this girl's video is not something that people are interested in watching. And when the algorithm is like, this video is not really getting a nice click-through rate, first of all, it can make them end up not even pushing your content further. Even when they say, okay, let's push your content further, it might take maybe a little bit more time. It might take some time before they decide to give it a try again. And when they see that your subscribers are not even interested, those subscribers that you have packed, they're not interested in watching your video whenever your video comes to their, to their browse feature, or sorry, to their page, it actually gives a bad or a wrong signal to the YouTube algorithm. Now, the fifth reason is that with lower subscriber counts, you prevent unnecessary drama or hate online. Unnecessary online drama or hate, basically. So what I mean by this is that when you have fewer but engaged subscriber, people that actually loves what you create, their goal most of the cases is to watch your video, to support you the best way that they can support you. That's their goal. Okay. But when you just have a lot of subscriber, they do not actually care about what you post, they do not actually like you, those are the kind of people that any little thing that you post, they are just placing hate comments, saying this, saying that, having one issue or the other. Now, this one, even apart from subscriber count, it can also even be, as a result of someone that loves chasing virality. Now, as that video is going viral, what about if that video ends up in the eyes of haters, in the eyes of the wrong audience? First of all, those wrong audience will follow you. They will, like I mentioned earlier, some people just click on follow or subscribe button. They just do it randomly. So you might end up attracting those kind of people that will just come and they will follow you. Okay, but the main point I'm trying to pass across is that by the time that viral video gets to wrong eyes, wrong audience, you see that it will start bringing in unnecessary hate comments, unnecessary drama online. And trust me, this is not the kind of life that we want to live. Even if maybe it's like, I love this, my videos are doing well, you keep doing that. First of all, brands don't like this, all those unnecessary drama. They don't like this. It's not good for business. It's not good for business. So that's one way that is actually hindering your growth. So in overall, what I'm trying to explain here is that with fewer or more engaged subscriber counts, you actually prevent unnecessary drama or hate online. Okay, so these are just 5 ways having low subscriber or follower counts can actually be a blessing in disguise for you and you don't even know. Okay, so if you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give my video a very big thumbs up. Okay, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell, very important, so you'll be notified when next I upload amazing and helpful content like this in the future. But for the meantime, here's a video YouTube thinks you personally love to watch. So I will see you in this video over here.